Hi everyone, it's Kino here. I'm in beautiful Vietnam and I'm going to share a gentle yoga class with you. Come to a comfortable seated position, close your eyes. A long deep breath in. As you exhale, let's rest the hands down. Set your mind to release any unnecessary tension in the body, the mind, and arrive into this moment with an open heart. A long, deep breath in. And as you exhale, let's open the eyes. We'll get started on the hands and knees. So let's come on over to the hands and knees. Hands shoulder width apart, your knees hips width apart. Let's roll through cat and cow position. Inhale, extend the spine, deep breath in. Exhale, round, draw the navel in. Again, inhale, extend, deep breath in. Exhale, round, all the way under. One more. Inhale, extend, deep breath in. Exhale, round and under. Switch your gaze forward, and then let's come on forward to puppy pose. Inhale, and as you exhale, let's bring the hands a little closer together, placing the top of the head towards the ground. Nice. We'll just move our little friend out of the way. And then exhale, top of the head reaches towards the ground, or top of the forehead actually. Come up onto your fingertips and we'll stay for 5 breaths. So we have 1, 2. If while you're here you feel you'd like to explore placing the chest on the ground, we can explore placing the chest on the ground. 4 and 5. Good. Let's walk the hands back. We'll draw the knees in and then exhale, come on back to child's pose. Let's switch the hands completely so the hands are down by the feet. Good job. Feel your back muscles releasing. Feel the body coming to a resting point. And stay for about 2 more breaths. And we'll do 1 more breath. Very good. Let's walk the hands forward. And then we're going to come into a hanging forward fold. So let's step your feet in. We'll bend the knees. Layer your arms over each other. And then inhale. Straighten the legs and just release your hamstrings. Release your neck. Good. Feel the soles of the feet connecting with the ground underneath you. Nice. Let's do 1 more breath. And then we'll bend the knees. We'll do it again. Straighten up. Relaxing the neck muscles. Relaxing the head. Keeping the mind quiet and calm. Very good. All right, let's do 1 more. We'll bend the knees and straighten the legs. Relax your body. Release any tension. Trust that this moment is enough. Very good. Okay, let's bend the knees. We'll slowly roll the spine gently down. Extend the legs. We'll say hello to Paschimottanasana, or forward fold. Inhale, a long, deep breath in. As you exhale, just pivot at the hip joints as you begin to gently fold. And you could explore kind of resting your weight on your elbows, if that's comfortable for you. Keeping the legs lightly engaged and the toes moving away from each other. Or you could explore resting your elbows on the ground. Or you could explore resting your head on your forearms. We'll stay here for 5 relatively relaxed breaths. So we have 1, deep breath in, deep breath out. 2. Remember to find the variation of the asana that works well for you. So if you're just resting up on the elbows, that's okay too. We'll say we've been here for 3. Find what works, what supports your practice, what supports your body. And 5. Good job. Let's inhale, we bring it up. Slide your hips a little bit forward, and then we're gonna roll the spine gently down. So let's roll down. You can take a moment and just settle your hips, kind of placing your sacrum nicely on the ground. Then let's draw both knees up into your chest. Give yourself a little squeeze in, and then inhale, let's extend the legs. Close your eyes, and again, 5 deep breaths. Calming the mind, taking these few moments to come back to yourself. You could rest your hands on your torso, just to kind of keep a good feeling contact with the body. 2 deeper breaths. Feel your diaphragm controlling the breath. 3. Releasing into this moment. 4. And 5. Let's bend the knees. Extend your arms and legs. Lie down. Feel the body moving into a healing vibration as you release all the unnecessary tension in the body, in the mind, in the emotions, and arrive fully into this moment with an open heart. That's good. Carrying these moments of rest with you throughout the day. Return to this space over and over again to continue your connection into your practice. Then a long, deep breath in. Let's reawaken the body, bending the knees and the elbows, drawing the knees up into your chest. Let's fold over onto the side. And inhale, we'll come all the way back up. Find your comfortable seated position again. Hands come into prayer. A long, deep breath in. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.